Hello, welcome again. In this video I will talk about this tool called spiral tool. Create spirals. Spiral tool. You can create shapes like this shape. You can control return to the tool. Spiral tool. You can control the turns, divergence, inner radius. Let us see. I can increase or decrease the inner radius. Divergence. Increase or decrease the divergence. Now I am increasing the divergence. You can also increase number of turns. You can also click on any color to color this shape. You can, as you can see, colored shape. This is, you can draw spirals by this tool. You can draw beautiful shapes by this tool also. Thank you very much.